everybody. Today we're going to have a reading time with B, and we're going to be reading today Ready to Read, the Robyn Hill School The Playground Problem, written by Margaret, McNamara, and illustrated by Mike Gordon. Alright. Monday was a sunny day. Switch over here, easier for me. It was recess. Miss Connor's first grade class was on the playground. The boys were playing soccer. "Hey," called Emma. "May I play?" said Nick. "No," said Jamie. "No," said Risa. "We do not want you to play with us," said Nick. "Why not?" asked Emma. "Because you are a girl," said Risa, "and girls do not play soccer." Emma was mad. Emma was very mad. Emma was furious. That night she told her dad about the boys. He helped her figure out a plan. On Tuesday, the girls ran out to the playground. They had a soccer ball. They played soccer. "Hey," said Risa, "the girls can play soccer. They are pretty good," said Nick. "They are very good," said Jamie. "Emma, come and join the boys' team." "No," said Emma. "I do not want to play on a team with just boys." "Why not?" asked Nick. "Figure it out," said Emma. On Wednesday, it rained and rained. The girls played at the activity table. The boys sat and stared at the rain. "What are they doing?" asked Katie. "They are figuring it out," said Emma. On Thursday, it was sunny again. The girls were scoring goals. "Hey, Emma," said Risa, "we figured it out." "Boys and girls can play together," said Jamie. "They can play on the same team," said Risa. "We got it," said Nick. From then on, the boys and girls played together. Sometimes they played really well together. Sometimes they had fights. "I figured that playing together makes us the best team we can be," said Risa. And he was right. Alrighty, that will be the end to the playground problem. I hope y'all have a beautiful day. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.